Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Hilaria Langlis from Panayawan, Lu'u, Puyas, Benguet. I'm 31 years old and happy married and blessed with 3 children, ages 9, 7, and 6. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking and singing. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 4 years, and I serve 4 members of the family, including 2 toddlers, ages 1 month old and 2 years old. My duties are taking care of the children, cooking and preparing meals, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, cleaning the house, and many more. I also have a lot of experience in taking care of a newborn baby, toddler, or children. I like to work in Hong Kong to earn money for my family needs and to have savings for my kids' future. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm a loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.